Running a channel solo means you're the researcher, the scriptwriter, the editor, the thumbnail designer, and the analyst every single week. Most creators burn out doing the research and admin, not the parts they actually enjoy. So I stopped doing it myself. This is my Content Command Center, a private dashboard built on SureThing.io that runs my entire channel's pipeline: research, scripting, tracking, and performance review in one place. Every week, on a schedule, an AI agent does 4 things automatically. 1. Researches viewer problems and trending questions across my content pillars, pulling from what's ranking on YouTube right now and what people are actually asking. 2. Ranks 5 video topic candidates with the specific viewer problem each one solves and why it's ranked where it is. 3. Nothing gets added to my production tracker or scheduled until I approve it. That's a hard rule I set. 4. Once I approve a topic, it builds the entire package: 3 title options, a result first hook, the full script, a recording checklist, a thumbnail brief, description, chapters, a pinned comment, 3 shorts, and a community post. Here's this week's research pass. 5 ranked ideas grouped by content pillar, each with the viewer problem it solves and why it beat the others. I picked the one I want, like I did for this exact video, and it logs straight into my tracker with status approved. Here's the tracker itself. Every video I've ever published, its pillar, its status, and its real view counts pulled straight from YouTube. I backfilled my entire channel history into this system: 28 published videos. My top performer sits at over 13,000 views, and I can see exactly which content pillar is underperforming versus which one is carrying the channel. That's not a guess. It's sitting in the tracker right now. This isn't fully hands-off from day one. Early on, I'm still correcting drafts and tightening the ranking criteria, but every correction makes the next pass better. What used to take me hours of manual research and outlining every week now takes one approval message. If you run any kind of channel or content pipeline, this is the exact structure I'd copy: 1 dashboard, 1 weekly research pass, and a hard rule that nothing goes out the door without your sign-off. For your convenience, there's a link for advanced prompts and short directions to set this up in the description below. Let me know in the comments what part of your content workflow eats the most time. That's probably where to start. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.